What if that small daily habit, like coffee, is quietly draining your future potential? Most people don't realize how quickly those little expenses pile up week after week. And when life suddenly throws a crisis your way, most aren't prepared at all. Medical bills, car repairs, even job loss. Emergencies never wait for your permission. That's why an emergency fund acts like your umbrella, steady when storms arrive. It shields not only your money, but also your family and your peace of mind. Because with savings in place, fear begins to fade and freedom takes its place. Without a safety net, stress multiplies. With it, you stand calm and secure. So let's stop waiting and build a fund that actually works for you. Step 1 is simple. Set a clear target you can see and aim for. Start with $500, then push toward $1,000, and finally, months of expenses. When you write that goal down, it shifts from an idea to something real. Step 2. Automate your savings so it grows even when you're not thinking about it. Direct deposit or an auto transfer ensures your jar fills before you can spend it. Pay yourself first. Place your security ahead of bills, shopping, or that extra latte. Step 3. Don't aim for big leaps. Just start small and stay consistent. Even $5 a day might feel tiny, but over time, it quietly grows. Because in savings, consistency always beats intensity. Step 4. Cut the hidden leaks draining your account when you aren't paying attention. Unused subscriptions? Cancel them. Redirect that money into savings where it actually works. Impulse buys? Delivery splurges? Each one steals from your future safety net. Step 5. Keep your emergency fund completely separate from daily spending money. Think of it as a locked safe, one that only opens for true emergencies. So when vacations tempt you or ads try to distract you, the safe stays shut. That's how your fund grows, quietly, securely, while your life moves forward. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small the steps may seem today. Time is your ally. Every dollar saved compounds, every week adds strength. Celebrate milestones along the way. Each one proves you're building something real. Every milestone adds another layer of protection around your future. Without savings, constant anxiety. With savings, a calm mind and steady heart. An emergency fund protects not just you, but the people you love most. It even gives you better sleep, knowing you're safe while tomorrow waits ahead. Because true security means freedom to live today, not just worry about tomorrow. This is your fund, your safety, your freedom. Watch it grow like a tree, steady, lasting, rooted in stability. It's not just money in a jar, it's peace of mind on the path ahead. Build it once, and it works quietly for the rest of your life. Your future self will look back and truly thank you for starting. So start today. Build your emergency fund and secure your tomorrow.